I put like pieces of cardboard on the top.
I'm Hannah Steven. I'm here today to teach a vermicomposting class.
Yeah, or put it on a piece of plastic.
At Gove Community Garden.
I want to make every place that I live a little bit greener. Vermicomposting seems like a simple way to do it.
Making sure that everything in here, for the most part, is turned to compost.
Vermicomposting is composting using worms.
But let's show you some worms. We'll show you the thing.
Worms live in a small little bin in your house. They actually eat all your food scraps and turn it into beautiful compost.
The first time I tried it was a little bit squicked out about worms in my house.
So like crushed up eggshells or coffee grounds.
I think that's what is the best part about vermicomposting, is that you can have a bin under your kitchen sink where they just eat the food scraps and turn it into compost.
The worms are happy where they're at.
It's really convenient for small places.
I feel so guilty every time I throw away food scraps. I think it'll help me feel less guilty every day.
I'm gonna get one bin, I'm gonna have worms, I'm gonna try it.
Anyone can do this.
I was really happy to have everybody's expertise, and it's so nice that Doug made this resource available to the community.
I've learned so much. Meeting all the other people who are doing this work. I love composting. It's been really exciting.